Hey YouTube, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Rev, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. Happy Sunday to you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the day, enjoying your weekend. So I felt it was long overdue for a little bit of a Hashflare update, letting you guys know I still am involved in the Hashflare program. My SHA contract is currently at 1.81 terahash per second, well on my way to having 2 terahash per second. For the most part, I've been reinvesting every single day. However, since Bitcoin dipped way down this last week, I thought it would be best to hold, because they do pay me out in Bitcoin, but it's a dollar amount that you use to reinvest. So if I hold on to the Bitcoin in my wallet, it will go up as Bitcoin goes up. So it's gone up a few $1,000s since the dip, and since the dip I have not reinvested. I currently have the automatic reinvest turned off because I like reinvesting manually, and especially if it dips way down and I know Bitcoin's gonna go back up, then I know the value of the Bitcoin I'm holding will also go up, and I'll be able to invest more into the platform. So guys, let's go ahead and see how much this 0.0083 Bitcoin brings me. I believe right now that's about 40 gigahash a second, because 50 would be a little bit more than I have, so I can almost get 50 gigahash a second. I'll probably buy then 20 tomorrow, 20 gigahash a second after tomorrow's payout. So I can get 40 gigahash a second. When I was looking at this a couple days ago, I would have only been able to buy about 20 gigahash a second with this amount of Bitcoin when Bitcoin was around the $10,000 mark. So that is why I held. So that's just a little tip to you guys. If you see Bitcoin dipping, maybe hold off on your reinvesting for a few days until the price of Bitcoin goes back up, and then when it goes back up, you'll have more bang for your buck here. So let's go ahead and reinvest this 40 gigahash per second into the platform, and our total being 1.81, so that should go up to 1.85. Select our payment method here, pay from balance, and go ahead and confirm. All right, success. Purchase was successful. Enjoy. So guys, we are now looking at 1.85 terahash a second. We are 0.15 terahash a second away from hitting our goal. By February, my goal was to get about 2 terahash in here. With this dip, I don't think it's going to happen, but a few days into February, we should see that 2 terahash invested into the program. So we're going to continue to reinvest into Hashflare to see this number right here, my year goal, go up. And as the price of Bitcoin goes up, which I believe it will exponentially, we will see the dollar amount that I'm making go up and up as the price of Bitcoin increases. So definitely really excited for that to go up. Now I have heard that the Ethereum contracts are actually a little bit more profitable than the SHA contracts right now with the way Ethereum's been going up. So it might be worth it for you guys to pick up some Ethereum contracts. Once I have some money to move around, I will probably do the same. I really want to get into this ETH Ethereum pool. Let's see, how much would 10 mega hash be? Would be about $220. I might drop like $100 into this. So let's see what $100 would get me. It's gonna be about 4.6 mega hash per second. I think that would be a good starting number to start earning some Ethereum. So I think it's a little over 100 days to get your initial investment back, and then from there it's profit. But of course I would continue to reinvest. These Ethereum contracts are also year-long contracts as well. All in all, I'm really excited for Hashflare and their contracts, the SHA contract and the Ethereum contract, and I'm also sure we'll see this script contract be more worth it too as the price of Litecoin jumps up this year in 2018. Just a little bit of a Hashflare update to you guys. If you're not on Hashflare, you're more than welcome to use my link down below to sign up. So guys, with that, let's head over to our daily giveaway. If you did not know, I give away $10 worth of Litecoin every single day. To enter to win, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, like the video, and comment a question with your Litecoin address down below. So winner is Heidi Yatsidi. Could you explain what a public key is? So what is a public key, Heidi? This is your public key right here, your Litecoin address. Available to the public. I cannot withdraw from your account with this. It is a code or a key that allows me to send you cryptocurrency. There you go, Heidi. I hope that answer helps you. And let's go ahead and send you your Litecoin. $10 of Litecoin coming your way. All right, Heidi, your transaction is on its way. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Definitely get onto Hashflare if you're not onto it. I think it's a great way to diversify your portfolio here in 2018. And thank you so much, guys, for all the support on the channel. I'm really thankful to see all the new subscribers, all the new faces, all the new comments and questions. So guys, thank you so much for participating and learning and growing with me in this crypto game. If you haven't yet and you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, like this video, and comment a question with your Litecoin address down below, entering you to win the big giveaways coming up. Alright, we will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Have a good one.